Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 best torque wrenches on the market, designed to give you precision and accuracy for every project. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or a professional, having the right torque wrench is essential for ensuring your work is done right. In this video, we'll cover some of the top-rated options that combine durability, ease of use, and accuracy, so you can find the perfect one for your needs. So, check the link in the description below for more details and the best deals. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews and updates. Number 5. Lexivon Torque Wrench is a top-tier tool designed for precision and durability, making it an excellent choice for anyone in need of the best torque wrench. Manufactured in Taiwan, this wrench is pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy, ensuring reliable and accurate results every time. It comes with a calibration certificate and a trackable serial number for added assurance. Built with a reinforced ratchet gear head made from hardened, heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, the Lexivon Torque Wrench delivers unmatched strength and durability. Its proprietary electro-black finish offers advanced rust and corrosion resistance, protecting your investment for the long term. Setting torque levels is easy with its patent-pending dual-range scale, featuring high-contrast yellow-on-black markings that are visible even in low-light conditions. The reversible ratchet head allows for clockwise torque measurements, while the ergonomic, knurled handle ensures a comfortable, bound-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this Lexivon Torque Wrench is built to last and provide top-notch performance. Number 4. Craftsman Torque Wrench, 1/2-inch drive, CMMT 99434, is the perfect addition to any toolbox, designed for durability and ease of use. With a torque range of 50 to 250 ft-lbs, 68 to 339 Nm, this wrench offers precision control, making it ideal for various automotive and mechanical tasks. The 1/2-inch drive size ensures compatibility with most standard sockets, while the bimaterial handle provides added comfort and superior grip, allowing for extended use without discomfort. The locking feature makes it easy to adjust and secure settings quickly, reducing hassle during operation. For easy reference, the torque settings are stamped directly into the housing, so you can quickly identify both inch and metric measurements. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this torque wrench meets or exceeds ASME specifications, ensuring reliable performance every time. Its durable case makes it easy to store and transport, keeping it protected and ready for your next project. Perfect for anyone looking for a top-tier torque wrench that combines precision, comfort, and portability. Number 3. Tekton 3/8-inch drive micrometer torque wrench is a high-quality tool designed to provide precise torque measurement, making it perfect for a wide range of mechanical applications. With a torque range of 10 to 80 ft-lb, this wrench is ideal for both light and heavy-duty tasks. It features a reversible ratchet head, allowing you to drive in both directions and measure torque in a clockwise direction. One of its standout features is the audible and tactile click you'll feel when the preset torque value is reached, ensuring you never over-tighten. The permanently marked, high-contrast dual-range scale is easy to read, even in low light, ensuring accuracy every time. Built with durability in mind, the all-steel construction of this torque wrench contains no plastic parts, eliminating worries about wear and tear. The wrench also comes with a convenient storage case and a product manual with a torque conversion chart, making it easy to store and reference. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Tekton 3/8-inch drive micrometer torque wrench is an excellent choice for anyone seeking precision and reliability. Number 2. Yi 22 PCS Torque Wrench Set 1/2-inch drive is a comprehensive and high-performance toolkit perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This set includes a 1/2-inch drive torque wrench, 17 high-quality 6-point impact sockets, ranging from 8 mm to 24 mm, and 4 versatile adapters for various applications, all housed in a sturdy, portable plastic case. The torque wrench offers dual-range accuracy, 10 to 160 ft-lbs/10-227 Nm, with micro-adjustments in 1 ft-lb increments, ensuring precise torque settings. The 72-tooth ratchet head operates smoothly in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, with a quick release button for easy socket swaps. The wrench is designed for comfort, featuring an anti-slip aluminum handle that's both ergonomic and durable, ensuring secure grip and reduced hand fatigue. The wrench's hardened CRV steel ratchet head and aerospace-grade aluminum handle guarantee long-lasting durability, rust, and corrosion resistance. Additionally, the distinctive black and gold finish provides both style and functionality. Ideal for car repairs, home improvement, product assembly, and electrical engineering, this torque wrench set is an essential addition to any toolkit. Number 1. Gear Wrench 3/8 Drive Electronic Torque Wrench 7.4 to 99.6 foot lb 85076 is an excellent tool designed for precision and convenience. It features a 72-tooth ratchet, providing a 5-degree swing arc that allows you to work in tight spaces with ease. Whether you're working on your car or DIY projects, this torque wrench is perfect for those hard-to-reach areas. The innovative target torque alert system ensures accuracy and ease by giving you a warning as you approach the target torque. You'll feel the vibration in the handle, hear a buzzer, and see the LED light turn solid once the target is reached. This feature guarantees you won't over-tighten or under-tighten your fasteners. With 5 different torque measurement units, FTLBS, NLBS, NM, KGM, KGCM, this tool is versatile enough to handle various applications, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, the Gear Wrench 85076 offers the reliability and accuracy you need for the best results. In conclusion, when it comes to selecting the best torque wrench, it's crucial to choose one that meets your needs for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, a reliable torque wrench will ensure the job is done right every time. Be sure to consider factors like drive size, range, and build quality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more update videos.